Hey everybody, I hope you all are doing well. We are making another cheesy recipe, stuffed garlic bread today, and that too without yeast. So let's get started. I'll first take you through the ingredients. In a bowl, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon pizza seasoning or Italian herbs. Now give it a good mix. Then add 2 tablespoons sour curd. Sour curd is very important because it only makes the bread fluffy. After that, put 1/2 teaspoon oil and 1/4 cup of milk. Once you are done adding all the wet ingredients, knead the mixture into a semi-soft dough. If you feel the dough is dry, add a little water in it. Drizzle with oil and make a roundel. Let the dough rest for almost 1 hour. By the time our dough sets, let's prepare the garlic butter mixture. For that, take 3 tablespoons of salted butter, half tablespoon mixed herbs, and 1 tablespoon crushed garlic. Mix the butter and keep it aside. After 1 hour, take the dough and apply little oil to it. Then on a rolling surface, dust some all-purpose flour and using your rolling pin, you need to roll it. Roll it thin, not very thin, but roll it like a semi-thick paratha. Then apply the prepared butter garlic mixture on the flattened dough. Cover the whole surface with garlic mixture. Sprinkle some fresh chopped coriander leaves. And add mozzarella cheese on half of the portion. You can even use pizza cheese. Now top it with some boiled sweet corn and capsicum. Capsicum is totally optional. It's up to you. If you want to add it, you can. If you want to leave it, you can leave it. Now add rest crushed garlic. And again add a layer of cheese so that our recipe turns out to be super duper cheesy. Now by the time I'm doing this, I have kept my microwave to preheat at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Now apply some water on the edges and seal it by pressing with fingertips. Apply the remaining butter paste on top. Okay, now you're once done applying the butter mixture. Make some cuts like this using a knife, but make sure do not completely cut it into pieces. Now sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano. Let's bake it for 25 minutes at 180 degrees. And finally, the garlic bread has turned out to be so fluffy and cheesy, guys. You can also serve it with cheese dip. So guys, if you like this recipe, do like it, comment on it and share with your friends. Thank you so much.